In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert column Sparkline in Excel. A column Sparkline is a compact chart that fits inside a single cell and gives you a quick visual summary of your data. It's especially useful when you want to show trends or compare values without taking up space with a full-size chart. If you're working with rows of numbers and want a simple visual indicator beside them, this is a great tool to use. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to insert the column Sparkline. Make sure the worksheet contains the data you want to represent. Since a Sparkline displays a small visual based on existing values, it helps to have your numbers already organized before you begin. Next, select an empty cell where you want the Sparkline to appear. This is important because the Sparkline will be inserted directly into that cell. Choose a location that makes sense visually, such as next to the row or column of data you're summarizing, so it's easy to read alongside the numbers. Once you've selected the destination cell, go to the Insert tab at the top of Excel. This tab contains a variety of visual tools, including charts, tables, and sparklines. In the sparklines group, click Column. This option creates a mini column chart, which is ideal for showing changes in values with vertical bars. After that, the Create Sparklines dialog box will appear. In the Data Range box, select the cells that contain the data you want to display. Be careful to choose only the relevant values, because this selected range determines what the Sparkline will visualize. Then look at the Location Range box and confirm that the correct destination cell is shown. If needed, you can adjust it here before completing the step. When everything looks correct, click OK. Excel will immediately insert the column Sparkline into the cell you selected. You'll now see a compact set of vertical bars that gives a quick snapshot of your data pattern. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a column Sparkline in Excel. As a quick tip, Sparklines work best when placed next to related data so viewers can understand them at a glance. They're small, simple, and very effective for dashboards, reports, and summaries where space matters.